Hello everyone, Jack here. Today I would like to show you how to test your battery with the latest and greatest iOS version of Dr. Hybrid. Alright, first thing first, you have to plug in this OBD2 adapter. I put the link in the description below. I got it from Amazon. So today we are testing on this 2010 Gen 3 Prius. I put a very bad battery on the block 12 just to test the battery, just to test the app itself. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. Alright, so first thing, open the app, connect. And this is the first page. You will see the telemetry on all the battery. Alright, so let's run the test. Let's do a full battery test right here. It's gonna check for error code. Yeah, you found the error code P0880. Alright, now it's asking you to accelerate hard and decelerate hard to complete the test. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, let's do a little bit of 0 to 45 to 0. Go. I'm flooring to the bottom. Okay, 45 miles per hour and brake. Here we go. Let me park the car, show you the result closely. Okay. Take a look. So this is the result. There's an error code. The internal resistance is normal, temperature normal. But for the upper voltage, you find a problem block on number 12. For the bottom voltage test, you find problem block on the number 1 and number 12. Alright? So you know exactly where the battery gone bad. And if you go into the repair shop, you can just tell them to repair that, or you can DIY in the garage. Find a blade from junkyard or buy it from the eBay, Craigslist, and just fix it yourself. It's right here. Alright, thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm gonna cover the other test, which is the life expectancy test. So you can actually find out the capacity, remaining life of your battery. Alright, let's do that in the next video. Thank you. Bye.